This is why you don't see Tamarillos as being a common tree in backyards or any yard. Check it out. Clean swipe. Clean swipe. Half the tree gone, just like that. So we're having pretty strong winds today in Victoria, Melbourne, and this is the result. Very soft wood. Very soft wood, guys. Very soft. Tamarillo, subtropical and extremely weak. So plant in a spot where there's not much wind. This is out in the open, surrounded by bananas. But the bananas aren't going to help much, as you can see. There's the other half. Hopefully that'll survive. And a little bit there too. So yeah, I think we lost about 40% of the tree. That's alright. They grow back real fast. Damn winds. So due to the damage here from the Tamarillo, we're going to take advantage of the situation by using the new shoots as I described in a video a few days ago. These shoots here can be reused to plant new Tamarillo trees. See those? The young ones? And they're everywhere. Right throughout. Right throughout. So we're going to start that now and see how we do. See what the strike rate will be like. So now that we have our cuttings from the broken branch, we start to propagate, beginning with removing most of these leaves and just having the short stem and not much else. You just want to have that inner stem there. So a little bit of cleaning up to have our cuttings ready to go in the dirt. So that's it. I took off all the leaves, and what you're left with is what's actually going to grow in a pot or in the ground. You don't need all this. You got to take all this off, guys. Otherwise, forget it. Zero success. You gotta remove the leaves and be left with just these young cuttings. They've got little baby leaves, and that's enough. See those little baby leaves? Just enough solar power to get them through. Baby leaves. That's all they need. So, gonna put these now in pots, in dirt, and see how we go. We'll check back in a few weeks. And it cost me nothing, even if I lose them all. And there it is, all done. 18 cuttings. Let's see how many make it. This is just regular dirt from the ground, not bought, just out of dirt that I've pounded over time. There's the dirt there that I have taken out of the ground from past plantings. So nothing from the garden shop, just good old-fashioned village dirt. See how we do. So wish me luck. And you know, like I said earlier, I really don't care if these make it or not. This is just an experiment. One of these, just one, at Bunnings, which is Australia's Home Depot, is $10. So what you're looking at here is $180 retail. Anyway, guys, I put it in the greenhouse because, well, just want to improve the chances of frost and wind and so on. Today's a very nice sunny day, but very windy. So we'll come back to this in a few weeks and see how they're doing. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and put on the notification as well for new videos. See you later.